Alright, here's preparing a simple yet nutritious porridge for my daughter, comprising of carrot cubes, small slices of fish, as well as half cup portion of the rice plus water. But of course, there's this ratio proportion of 4 times of this full cup of water to half portion of the rice in order to cook porridge. And without further ado, let's begin the cooking process for this nutritious carrot fish porridge for my daughter. First, switch it on, dry the marking beyond the minimum word, and you should be expecting steam coming out from the fan of the lid, and you could remove the lid and stir evenly up to the point where you will be able to see the porridge thickening in consistency, turning homogeneous eventually. Alright, removing the lid, we got to start stirring the mixture evenly while letting off the steam and covering it back. Of course, there's flexibility of view, reducing the amount of heat recirculating within the electric all-purpose cooker. Alright, let's take a look at the porridge at this point in time. Wow, and indeed nutritious fish carrot porridge for toddlers like my daughter. And to pour fish slices into the hot mixture and to increase the heat slightly just to speed up the entire porridge cooking process. Ensure the fishes that you pour into the mixture gets well cooked, otherwise you will get stomach upsets if you are not doing this properly. Tasty porridge ready to be served. Enjoy, children!
I don't care if you like my video. If you don't, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I will eat you up. I don't even care. Why don't you care?